sure that you're going to have a blast on Twin Flame. Whether you're looking for fun underwater with the latest and greatest scuba gear, or you want to have fun on the surface of the water being pulled on a wakeboard or water skis or a tube, or maybe you want to take it up a notch and learn how to kite surf or even kite foil. And we may be the only charter out there with a fully electric hydrofoil surfboard. It's truly a magic carpet ride. We've searched the world over to assemble an experienced crew who embodies our values. They know the best spots and how to give you an unmatched experience while providing a premium luxury charter at every step.
Cultivate a deeper connection with your sense of self as the world expands around you in every direction. This is a way to see life in a new light with your loved ones. We invite you to embrace the experience center we have created with a Twin Flame charter.